Why so many websites not opening in my Google Chrome? Or websites failing to load in Google Chrome? Let's fix it step by step. So the first thing you can do is to check your internet connection. First, check your internet, restart your router, or test another browser to confirm if the issue is Chrome. Second thing you can do is to update Chrome. So to be able to do that, click on the three dot at the top right of your screen, select Settings, and then head over to About Chrome. And then from here, you'd be able to find Chrome, instantly checking if there are any updates. So if there are any updates, Chrome will then auto update, and after that, you'll need to relaunch the Google Chrome app. Now, if there are none, you'll find this on your screen. Third is to clear cache and cookies. So to do that, head over to the Privacy and Security tab and then click on Delete Browsing Data. So from here, go ahead and select the cache and cookies that you want to delete. Corrupted cache blocks sites. So clear browsing data under Settings and Privacy. And lastly, what you can do is to disable extensions. So to do that, click on this extensions icon at the top right, and then from here you'll find all of the extensions you have. So if you find that specific extension blocking your way, you can simply click on this more options at the right side of that specific extension and then select remove from Chrome, and that is how you can fix that issue.